Hey everyone, this is Mark Wong from Empire Code, and I'm privileged to have with us Teacher Kavi.
Hello!
Teacher Kavi will be our lead instructor for our upcoming Learn Electronics with Arduino course, and we're privileged to have with us to share a little bit more about the program. So Teacher Kavi, what can our parents expect their children to learn in this upcoming program?
Okay, basically, Arduino is very suitable for the kids who loves in learning electronics parts, and also they also can upskills their coding as well. Yeah. So basically, students they can actually learn on how to make it correct connection, and also they can learn which one should be the suitable code to make it work well.
Wonderful, and I suppose this program is suitable for students who are
Age 10 to around 14.
And what would be the coding language that will be taught during this program?
Okay, normally they will be learning about C++ basics.
Wonderful, and very importantly, are we able to see a demo?
Yes, of course.
Alright, let's go! Thank you, Teacher Kavi, for showing us this mini project. So what are we gonna do today?
I hope you all are very excited to know. Okay, so today I'm actually going to show you a demo of a mini project which can help us to know whether the Pokemon is nearby or not.
Oh, so our students are gonna be catching Pokemon.
Yes, exactly. So this device can help them to recognize whether the Pokemon is nearby or not. Yeah.
Wonderful, let's see how this Pokemon-catching device works.
Okay, so at first, I did a mini simulation here which connected with Arduino with LCD itself. So basically, this is the basic one. So which I use language C++ here. So when I just figure out the code, and we can actually check for the distance. Okay, there, the distance is how long? So basically, simulation will help the kids to on wiring wise, and also to check whether their code got any issues or not before they make their project works.
Wonderful, and I suppose the green little dot here represents the Pokemon.
Yes, exactly. This represents the object, which is Pokemon.
Wonderful, and I suppose this is a simulation of the detection.
Yes, correct. So normally, I prefer them to do simulation before they go with this physical device.
Wonderful. Are you able to show us a demonstration of how this physical device works?
Yes. Okay, so just now I did a virtual simulation. So now I'm going to show you how to make it in a physical simulation as well. So at first you can see here a Pokemon character. So and there's a sensor here as well, which you can actually check for the distance as well. So you can see there's an LCD here. So when the Pokemon go nearby, and you can see catch it. So if the Pokemon is kind of far away, then you say Pokemon nearby.
Wonderful, and I'm sure that the kids will have so much fun with this project. So parents, that was a practical demonstration of a fun project that your child is able to do to learn how to catch Pokemon using Arduino. So parents, if your child loves Pokemon and can't wait to learn about electronics and learn about STEM, join us for our upcoming Pokemon-themed Arduino workshops, and we look forward to seeing you. We have a special promo going on right now, so contact us to learn more. We'll see you there.